In this video, I'll be sharing a secret about under 8 that you never knew. All right, and that will help you out greatly, especially in 2025. All right, now, whenever you find yourself trading under 8, all right, remember under 8 itself is not risky. Okay, it's a very safe market because the losses that you can incur in under 8 are very limited. Okay, so you're quite safe. But now here comes the tricky part. You have to induce the risk. What do I mean? Now, under 8 itself is not risky. But for you to incur profits in under 8, you have to induce risk on yourself by using a bit of a high capital. All right? Now, whenever you're trading under 8, let's say you have a $10 account. All right? And you risk 0.35 when you're trading under 8. It will be very hard for you to make any good income from it. Okay? Because the profits will be so small. Okay? And once you incur one loss, it sets you back completely. So whenever you're trading under 8, so listen carefully. I'll be laying down some foundations that you should be using when you're trading under 8. First of all, okay, ensure you use ensure the stake is quite high. Okay, I can even say ensure the stake is quite risky. Okay, don't risk a very small percentage of your account. Under 8 is not risky, so you have to induce that risk by using quite of a risky stake. Okay, I know I've said that use a small stake, but guys, every one of us who is trading, we want to earn a sustainable income. Okay, an income that by itself is quite nice. Okay, and in trading you'll never grow if you do not embrace risk. Risk will always be there. You cannot outrun it. What you can do is embrace it and then find a way to maneuver around it to make a profit. Now, so this is what you do. Whenever you're trading under 8, you have opened your market. As you can see, this is my chart. Ensure 9 is below. Ensure 9 is below 10%. First of all, ensure it is below 10%, and also ensure 8 is below 10%. You want the two of them to be below. It doesn't matter if they are 9.9, 9.8. Ensure the two of them are below 10%. And then ensure the green bar, the green circle, as you can see, this green circle is 2 to 3 numbers away. The red circle it's fine, it can be at 9. There's no problem in that. But ensure the green circle is 2 to 3 numbers away from 8. Because remember, let's say the green circle is at 0. The ticker will focus a lot on these numbers near 0. So you don't want the green circle to be near 8, because that will be a risk that we want to avoid. Okay? Please remember that. Okay? Now, once those conditions are satisfied, you're okay. Now, another thing, guys, ensure, all right? So let us count. So from 8 to 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ensure at least 70% of these numbers are above 10%, because that will signify this market is strong. Okay? Yeah, ensure most of the numbers are above 10%, because that will signify the market is strong. Okay? Yeah. So once those conditions are satisfied, guys, now you are ready to place your trade. All right? Now, a tricky thing. Whenever you see, let's say you're trading under 8, and then you see 8 has crossed to above 10%, or you see 9 has crossed, don't trade it, because it is signifying 8 is gaining strength. And so there are high chances that that ticker will come and touch 8 whenever you press under 8, and that will be a problem for you. All right? So you have to be careful when you are trading under 8. But always ensure 9 is below 10%. As you can see, 9 in this case is very low. Okay, it is below even 8%. So it signifies that that 9 is very weak. Okay, and another thing, and always ensure the difference in percentage between 8 and 0 is more than 2% to be safe. Okay, to be safe. Now, another thing, you have to outweigh your options. All right, whenever you see 9 is very weak, okay, and 8 is quite strong, yes, you can risk trading under 8 in that area, but again, the risk will be higher. But just ensure, guys, whenever you see 8 and 9 are below 10%, and the green circle is 2 to 3 numbers away, and 70% of the numbers from 7 to 0 are above 10%, you are safe to start trading. Your work will be timing. You have to do a lot of timing. Whenever that tick touches 9, whenever you just see it has landed on 9 like this, press under. Whenever you see it has touched 8, press under. All right? Now, another trick, guys. Whenever it touches 9, before you press under, give it a moment. Because sometimes it can touch 9 and then it can end up coming to 8 and then now going, transitioning. All right. So you can just give it a minute. If you see it's almost jumping to the other numbers, you can press under immediately. But whenever the ticker touches 8, press under. Most of the time when the ticker touches 8, it jumps to the numbers below 8. All right. Yeah. So guys, do a lot of timing. Be fast. Ensure your internet is fast. Ensure your device is fast. Because in this market, if you delay with even 1 nanosecond, that is a loss. So you have to be extremely, extremely fast. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be making a lot of videos on this. I'll be showing practically. Okay. This time I'll be showing you practically because most people are complaining that I'm not showing the practical side of it. All right. So currently, Deriv, as I'm recording today, Deriv are currently updating their site, so I cannot trade for now. But guys, please put these measures into practice, and you will not regret it. If you have any question pertaining this, please put it down in the comment section down below, or you can WhatsApp me if you need any help with anything, be it materials, classes. I have it all. Otherwise, guys, keep trading, keep pushing. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like, and please make sure you subscribe. You'll be highly appreciated. Otherwise, guys, keep trading, keep pushing. Never give up. Thank you.